Hey, good day everyone, it's Mike from Finding Fish. Welcome to London. Today in this video, I'm going to be taking you on a day in London tour. We're going to be going to some of the local hotspots that they have and a bunch of the tourist traps in London. Stay with me, it's going to be amazing. Now, I'm going to start my day off at Abbey Road in the northwest part of London. If you're into music, history, or you're into studios, well, you're coming to Abbey Road. The Abbey Road studio started in 1929 when it was purchased over a little over £16,000 and over 2 years was converted into the very first purposely built studio. Everyone from the likes of the Beatles, the Pink Floyd, Kanye West, Lady Gaga, the list goes on and on. If you're into music history, well, this could be on your list. Just take the tube to St. John's Wood, get off, it's a 2-minute walk. Abbey Road is done. Off the bucket list. Let's keep going. Well, I just finally arrived to the British Museum. I'm actually looking forward to this, so come with me. Let's go in. So amazing to see what humans have created over thousands and thousands of years, handcrafting items. It's really incredible. Just to note, if you are coming here, this is a massive piece of property. There's so much to see. I've enjoyed my time, I've seen a lot, but I think I'm done for the day. On to the next. Some days you just have to be the tourist. You know, even if you're only coming for a short visit, to see the Buckingham Palace and the size and the immensity of this property, it's just nice. Nice to get out, go for a walk. It's not very busy. It's mid-October right here. The weather's perfect for this kind of a day. Anyway, Buckingham Palace is off the list. It never gets old. I don't know how many times I've seen it in my lifetime, but it's a great way to start your day and have a coffee. Big Ben's off the list. One benefit about coming in October, you have less tourists. And it's actually a little cooler, so you're not overheating when you're walking all over the place. Now, it took me approximately 1 hour on the Jubilee Walkway to go from Big Ben to Tower Bridge. If you're gonna do the walk, you're gonna need good shoes. It's very safe. It can be slippery, but it's a great way to explore some of the nooks and crannies of London, and it doesn't have to cost you anything. Well, I'm hungry. Let's go find Borough Market. The lineups are crazy here at the Borough Market on Saturday. It is 12:42 And this place is absolutely a zoo. If you're coming on a Saturday, be prepared. You probably got to queue up for about half an hour to get something to eat if you're coming at lunchtime. Finally got some lunch. Now, as for my lunch, I got the hot smoked salmon on a bagel, which for £6 was incredible. I was starving, but I really wanted a sausage roll. But the queue for that was half an hour, 40 minutes. So I was walking by this one place. They were serving those bagels and salmon, and I went for that. I'm happy I did. It's so busy here. London is incredibly busy in October. If you're coming here, bring an umbrella. It only rains for 5 or 10 minutes and then it goes away, but you're gonna need one. Anyway, let's go into Covent Gardens. Rain or shine, this place is always busy. Anyway, let's keep going. I just got to Piccadilly Circus. I'm gonna walk through here. We're gonna walk up to Covent Gardens. I always get sucked into those places. I love it. If I'm coming to Chinatown, I've got to get a pork bun. And this is one of the best places down in Chinatown. Let's go in, check it out. Every time I'm here, there's a lineup. The best £2 I spent today. That is so good. If you're coming to Chinatown, Chinatown Bakery. Oh my God, that's really good. Nice and warm, gooey. Chinatown is off the list. Covent Gardens, let's go. One thing you're gonna need to know if you're coming to London or Europe in general, bathrooms, washrooms, restrooms, they're hard to come by. If you see one or you're in a restaurant that has one, use it before you leave because you might not see another one for a while. Even phones don't work too well here, just to let you know. Because there's so many nooks and crannies. Well, welcome to Covent Gardens. Now, the rain has set in pretty good here, but that's the way life is in London in late October. Well, this is probably where I'm gonna end my video. One of my favorite places in Covent Gardens, the oldest pub in Covent Gardens, the Lamb and Flag. It's Sunday, it's still early, and things are probably gonna heat up here. Anyway, let's go in and grab a pint, say goodbye. So just to let you know, on my phone, it told me I walked about 12 kilometers today. I've been to Abbey Road, British Museum, The British Museum was actually opened its doors in 1759, I believe. I forgot to tell you that fact. Abbey Road, British Museum. I went to Big Ben. I went to Tower Bridge. I went to Borough Market, walked on the London Bridge, went to Chinatown, and came into Covent Gardens to have a beer and say goodbye. Hey, if you like my channel, like and subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. I think I'm on my way to Paris via the train, so stay with me. I'll see you in the next video.
Mind the gap, please.